Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use Chatgpt by Openai for beginners. First of all, open your browser and type chat.openai.com and verify you are human. In order to use Chatgpt, we need to create an account first. To do that, click on sign up. Enter here your valid email address. Click on continue and give here a strong password for your Chatgpt account. Click on continue. And now it's time to verify your email address. So go to your Gmail and you'll get a verification email. Open the email and click on the verification option to verify your email address. Once you verified, it will jump into this interface and it's mean your account has been created. Now it's time to ask something to Chatgpt. You can click this box and type here your message. And then Chatgpt will generate a correct answer for your question. So to generate text, you will need to provide the model with prompt or a context. The model will then generate text based on the prompt or context. So this is how we can use. This is how you will be able to use Chatgpt. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching this video.